Welcome back, students. Time for some practical example of do loop. And what I'm going to do, these are the unit test marks out of 30. I want to highlight all those who have scored less than 15 and separately those who have scored more than 50. So all those students who have scored less than 15, I want to highlight those cell color into something else. Let's say some reddish kind of rosy brown, and those who have scored more than 15, I want to color their cell with yellow green, let's say. But I want this to happen not in a single cell. I want this to happen from the beginning till the end, till here. So how to do that? Now the procedure will remain same, the basic funda, and here sheet 1 is going to activate it, of course, and I'm going to activate B2 cell because I'm going to start with B2. So here it is. Now I have applied do condition, of course, up till the point where you will find a blank cell, and loop, and here I'm going to apply the conditions. The condition is now B2 is activated, so I'm going to apply if active cell dot value less than 15, then active cell dot interior dot color equal to RGB rosy brown, else active cell dot interior dot color equal to RGB yellow green, and if. Okay, so I have applied the condition and it will not serve the purpose, but because in B2 cell, which is an activate cell, it will keep on repeating the task, so I need to go one step downwards, the same thing which we have done in the previous video also. So from that active cell now dot offset row wise 1 column wise 0 dot select, and then loop once again. So let's see how these things work. So I'm going to apply with the help of F8. Okay, I want to remove it so it can be visible. Okay, F8, sheet 1 activated, B2 cell is activated, do until active cell dot value, if it's blank then it's not blank, so it's going to run the condition. It's not less than 15, it's greater than 15, so it has gone to else condition and the color has been done. And if then active cell dot offset 1 comma 0 will move this particular task to downwards. Now this is the active cell, and in this active cell again it's going to perform the same task, but here the color is going to be different. Similarly, it will keep on doing this task. You can see now this particular cell is activated, and if I'm going to run it with the help of play button or F5, you can see in a single instance I've got the solution and I have performed the task which I was wanted to with the help of loop. So this is how a loop condition can be applied, a more practical example. Now if you have performed this task, and once you will perform this task, I have got another task for you with the help of loop. You have seen this condition before also, that is if less than 40 fail, 40 to 60 is going to be compartment, and above 60 it should be pass. The condition which we have done previously, but on a single cell by finding those cells. However, I want the result to come from here till the last cell, means here. Okay, so I want the result from top here till the end of the cell. Based on this condition, based on this total score, I want the result to become over here, and you need to do to the complete data with the help of loop, of course. And how you are going to do this is the task, and if you are being able to do this, then very good, and if not, then watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.